Hi guys, today I'm bringing to you a drone that I found on Amazon.com. I spent way too much time looking for this thing, I'm sure, but here we are. It's the Nexaero GPS brushless camera drone. It's folding, has a 2K camera. You can see there it has a large display screen. Here's the menu. You can scroll through the menu, the scroll, switch in the back, or you have two buttons and select or go back with the one on the right, select with the one on the left. You can see what I'm showing you there. I'm selecting through the pictures. Now let's put the battery in the drone. Make sure you have a charge, fully charge your batteries and your transmitter before your first flight. So you see the contacts up top, match them up while pressing the button on the bottom. Push in until it locks into place, just like so. Okay, now long press the power button on the battery until you hear the beeps. Okay, and now let's turn on the transmitter. You have to short press, then long press and hold to turn on the transmitter, just like I'm showing you now. Okay, then it will automatically connect. You don't have to do anything. Just wait for it to do its job. And once it's connected, the picture will show up on the screen that the drone is seeing, or you'll get the visual. There it is. Shows you that the 45 degree on the antenna is the best position while flying. There. You can see it has a really nice 1080 quality screen display there. You have all your telemetry there. Shows you that you have your GPS connecting. You have your battery of the drone, the transmitter, have satellites, and also your distance, height, etc. Alright, I'm showing you there by pressing down and out to the bottom. You start the motors that way, and then you could use the auto takeoff and land button, take off, or you can just push up on the left joystick, which is the throttle, take off. Okay, to power off the drone, just simply long press the button on the battery and it'll shut it off. And you just push the button and pull it out for safekeeping. But I'm going to show you now how to put in the TF card or the micro SD card into your drone. Long press to power off the transmitter. Nice transmitter. Really enjoy the large display. It's a plus. Okay, so to plug in the micro SD card, simply facing up to the top of the drone, push the SD card in the slot until you hear it click. It's spring loaded and it will lock in place when you have it in the right position. Just like so. Push in until you hear it click and you're locked in place. Just like that. Good to go. So that'll assure you get the best quality video that this drone has to offer by putting an SD card in the drone itself. If you don't have an SD card in the drone and you have an SD card in the transmitter, the video will be recorded to the transmitter and it'll be a little bit lower quality. Okay, so here to calibrate the compass, just push your joysticks up into the center, then spin the drone counterclockwise horizontally until you hear a beep, then vertically counterclockwise until you hear a beep. Just like this, and now you have successfully calibrated your drone. Once you have GPS satellite signal, you can go outside and fly. And everything will be just peachy. Alright, let's do the unboxing. Nice box. Nexaero brushless folding camera drone. This has auto takeoff land, return to home, GPS feature, brushless motors, large display, 7.22 inches. You have 249 grams, follow me mode, and it's GPS once again. There's the Aerobat drone from a later video, or a previous video rather. Alright, a nice carrying case. I like a nice carrying case, keeps things nice and tidy, dust free, ready for the next flight. And so this includes the drone, you get the transmitter, you can see I'm unboxing it here. I sped this up so you don't have to suffer. Once again, this includes the drone, 2 batteries, 2 charging cables, a transmitter, if I didn't say that already, a carrying case, and spare props and some spare screws. This kit also includes a micro SD card, a micro SD card reader, and a Phillips screwdriver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all supporting my channel. Stay tuned. Okay, here we have some drone flight footage. This is the onboard SD card footage. Here's a picture. Keep in mind this is in 5 to 10 mile per hour gusts of wind. Looks really bright and vivid. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks again.